Why do some people live well into their 90s with energy, purpose, and strength, while others struggle to reach 80? It's not just luck, it's not just genetics, and it's definitely not about who had the best doctor. Hospice nurses and longevity researchers agree. There are hidden mistakes millions of seniors make every day that slowly rob them of time, health, and joy. They're small, they go unnoticed, but they quietly steal years off your life. So if you're over 60 or love someone who is, listen closely. Because these 6 hidden mistakes could be the reason you don't reach 85. And fixing them might give you the strongest, most peaceful years of your life. Let's begin. Mistake number 1. Sitting more than you move. Most people believe aging naturally means slowing down. But what they don't realize is, sitting too much is a silent killer. It weakens your muscles, increases inflammation, dulls your brain, and makes you feel older than you really are. Worse, the more you sit, the more tired you feel, and the cycle begins. You don't need to go to a gym. You just need to move more than you sit. Walk around the house every hour. Stretch while watching TV. Stand while talking on the phone. Because when the body stops moving, the heart and mind follow. Mistake number 2. Mentally retiring too early. Just because you left your job doesn't mean you stop growing, but many seniors unknowingly retire their mind the day they leave work. They stop learning, stop challenging their brain, stop using their memory, and slowly the mind begins to shut down. Studies show the brain needs purpose to stay sharp. Read new books, learn a new recipe, teach someone something, ask questions. It's not about staying busy, it's about staying curious. Because the moment you believe you're done learning is the moment your brain starts letting go. Mistake number 3, eating like you did at 40. Your body at 65 is not the same as your body at 40, but most people never update their habits. They eat processed food, skip meals, drink too little water, and wonder why they feel sluggish, bloated, or foggy. Here's the truth. After 60, your digestion, metabolism, and absorption change. You need more protein, fewer sugars, more water, and less salt. You need food that heals, not just fills. Eating wrong doesn't show up in one day. It builds up slowly until it becomes disease. Mistake 4. Saying I don't want to bother anyone. This one breaks hearts. Too many seniors silently suffer emotionally and physically because they don't want to be a burden. So they don't ask for help. They don't open up. They don't share when they're scared, lonely, or hurting. But holding everything inside doesn't protect your loved ones. It disconnects you from them. Connection heals. Ask for company. Ask for help. Ask for time. Because you still matter, and letting others support you. Mistake number 5. Living without a reason to wake up. One of the biggest hidden reasons people don't make it to 85, they lose their reason for living. The kids move away. The job is over. The routine disappears. And they slowly stop making plans, stop dreaming, stop showing up. But the body responds to purpose. People who live the longest often say the same thing. I had something to live for. It doesn't have to be big. It just has to be yours. A plant to take care of. A neighbor to check on. A book to write. A prayer to say. Purpose isn't about productivity. It's about presence. Mistake number 6. Believing it's too late to change. The most damaging mistake? Thinking your habits, mindset, or life can't change after 60. But research and real-life stories prove this wrong every single day. Seniors in their 70s reverse diabetes. People in their 80s start painting, exercising, volunteering, falling in love. people in their 90s start walking again after given.